measurement, and it is taken from chapter number 9. You already know that. Okay. Now, what is measurement? Okay. What is a measurement or what is a length? Okay. So the word length is used to measure how long is an object. Okay. Last time also I told you that the word length is used to measure the object. Okay. So today this is the continuation of same chapter, that is from measurement. Okay. So this is the subtopic, that is measuring length using objects. Measuring length using objects. Okay. Last time I told you and I taught you how to measure using our handspan, footstep or forearm, or it is also known as cubit. Last time I taught you that thing. So today I want to teach you measuring, how to measure an object using this one, object itself. Okay, how to measure a length. Okay, so you can see here this is a stick. Okay, thick stick. So I will measure with this small scale. Okay, I will measure with this small scale, and you will see how long is this object. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, otherwise 4.5 also you can say it is 5. It is about 5 scale. Okay, the stick is about 5 scale. Okay, so this is the way how we measure the length of an object. Okay, measure the length of an object. So children, this was the example how to measure length. Okay, using object. Otherwise I will show you the second example also. This is a scale. Okay, we will measure this length. Okay, with a chalk. Let us see here. All of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This scale also it is about 5 chalk. Okay, 5 chalk. Okay, you can measure the length using any object at your home. So the next subtopic it is comparing length. To compare how long is it or how short it is. Okay, here I have drawn the example, that is the first, this one box, you can say it is a box, it is small. Okay, then after it comes the second box, it is little longer than the first box. Okay, then again it comes one stick. Okay, it is little longer than the second one, and then comes it is a this one coloring brush. Okay, this is coloring brush you may have at your home, right? So this is longer than these 3 objects. Okay, these 3, 1, 2, 3 objects. This is the longest one. This is the way how we measure, compare the length. Likewise, we will measure this one also. First, this chalk is a little smaller, and this scale, and the last one scale we will measure it. First of all, let me measure like this. First we will keep the chalk, and the second one small scale, and the longer one. This way we can compare the length. Okay, the first one it is longer, the second one is a little more longer, and the last one chalk it is shorter. Okay, so children, this way we can compare the length using an object. So the last subtopic I am going to teach you today is comparing mass, weight. Okay, comparing mass, weight. Okay, so you all know that we can measure a weight using weighing balance. You can see here, this is an object in which we measure the object, otherwise any things. Okay, this is the weighing balance. This is a weighing object where we measure the weight of an object. You must have seen in the shop, right? You must have seen at your home also we use, yes or no, to balance some things or some object. So here I have written that what is a weight? Okay, weight. Weight means What is the weight? Okay, first of all, we know that what is the weight. Weight means how an object is. How an object is. Whether it is heavy, whether it is light. We have to know like that way. So, here I have written some definition. Smaller weights are measured in milligrams. Smaller object, okay, are measured in milligrams and grams. And in grams also we can measure the smaller weights, okay. The object which is small, like you can say this diary, okay, like you can say this box. These are smaller objects, okay. These are measured in milligrams and grams. Larger in kilograms. Whenever we buy rice, vegetables in the market or in the shop, the shopkeeper measure, okay, the shopkeeper will measure the rice, otherwise the vegetables in kilograms, because they are larger object, okay, and they have the same, this one, same object they will use in the market or otherwise in the shop. So I also some example how to weigh, okay. So you can see here I have here 3 copies in my this hand and 1 box in my this right hand, okay. So here you can see that box and this one copy in a weighing balance. I am balancing these 2 objects, okay. The copies here there are 3 copies. It is downwards and this box is upwards. So here we can notice that these 3 copies are heavier than this 1 box, okay. These 3 copies are heavier than this 1 box and this box is lighter. That's why it is upwards and these 3 copies are downwards, okay. And similarly, when we measure the same object, okay, which has same weight, we will measure like this here. These 2 are same objects. That's why neither it is down, okay, neither it is up. But these 2 objects, they are equal in balance. If we balance these 2 diaries, okay, it is same, okay. The balance is same, okay. So same way you all can measure, okay. You all can practice. Otherwise, for example, you can measure the object using this weighing balance, okay, weighing balance. Whether it comes downwards, whether it goes upwards, you all can do example at home and you can refer your book also, okay. You can refer your book. You can refer your book chapter number 9, okay, till page number 150, okay. In the last class also I taught you some topics and today also I have taught you 3 topics, that is measuring length using object, comparing length, comparing mass, weight. So children, see you in the next class. Thank you.